Welcome to another episode of Real Life Adventures. In this week's episode, I would like to try and answer a question I have been asked multiple times. Many people want to know, can I mix different colors and brands of coolant in my radiator? As you know, there are many different colors of coolant on the market. I've seen red, green, of course, yellow, blue, amber, bronze, you name it, I think I've seen it. In the end, however, there are only really three types of antifreeze. IAT, which is your old traditional green, OAT, which is more of a newer version of that, and HOAT, an even newer version of that. Now, some people say that if you mix different types of coolants, you take a chance of causing a chemical reaction of the coolants and turning it into a goo or gel-like substance. That will cause inhibited cooler flow, cause the water pump to potentially seize up, and generally causes havoc. I personally have never seen it turn into this gel-like substance before. I have, however, seen different types of coolants mixed in a radiator. You can always tell. The mixture turns into this brown, for those of you who have kids, baby poo brown type color. And that's the way you know it's been done. So my answer to the question is, can you mix the fluids? Well, you probably really shouldn't. The main difference in each of the types of fluids is the corrosion-fighting additives in each of the fluids. And what happens is if you start mixing the fluids, you kill off these rust-fighting additives that each of the different types of coolant possess. Along with that, as I said, it turns it into this ugly brown baby poo color type fluid. Now, I suppose if you drove it long enough like that, the chemical reaction between the different types of fluids and additives in the coolants could actually perhaps turn into a gel-like substance, but you'd have to drive it an awful long way like that. And again, as I've never seen it, I just can't see it happening. But again, you never can tell.